Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix the site can't be reached DNS probe finished NX domain error. Type Control Panel, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Internet Connected Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Check use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Restart your system. Second method, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Type exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Third method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space / release. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Type ipconfig space / renew. Type netsh space int space ip space set space DNS. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Type exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Fourth method is, type services in Windows search bar. Select DNS client. If this service is not started, restart the service. If same problem still exists, fifth and final method is, click 3 dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Advanced. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Restore settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.